Welcome to Auto Show, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into an exciting upcoming release, the 2026 Genesis GV90 SUV. This flagship electric vehicle from Genesis promises to redefine luxury and performance in the SUV market. The Genesis GV90 is poised to make a significant impact in the luxury electric SUV segment. Built on Hyundai Motor Group's advanced electric platform, known as EGMP, the GV90 is designed exclusively for electric vehicles. This platform is shared with other notable models like the Hyundai Ioniq 7 and Kia EV9, both offering 3 rows of seating. The EGMP platform ensures that the GV90 delivers exceptional performance, efficiency, and a spacious interior, all while maintaining a commitment to environmental sustainability. Under the hood, the GV90 is expected to feature a robust electric powertrain. While official specifications are yet to be released, industry insiders anticipate that the GV90 will offer a dual-motor setup, providing all-wheel drive capabilities. This configuration is projected to deliver impressive horsepower, potentially reaching up to 500 horsepower, ensuring swift acceleration and a dynamic driving experience. The battery pack is likely to be substantial, with estimates suggesting a capacity that allows for a driving range of at least 300 miles on a single charge. Additionally, the GV90 is expected to support ultra-fast charging, with a 350 kilowatt fast charger enabling a 10% to 80% charge in approximately 20 to 30 minutes. In terms of design, the GV90 is set to embody Genesis's commitment to luxury and elegance. The exterior will likely feature the brand's signature crest grille and distinctive two-line headlamp design, creating a commanding presence on the road. Sleek, aerodynamic lines in a bold stance are expected to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Inside, the GV90 is anticipated to offer a spacious and opulent cabin, accommodating up to 8 passengers. High-quality materials, advanced infotainment systems, and a host of comfort features will ensure a premium experience for all occupants. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the GV90's design. The SUV is expected to come equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. These technologies aim to provide enhanced safety and convenience, making each journey both secure and enjoyable. As for pricing, while Genesis has not officially announced the figures, industry estimates suggest that the GV90 will start around $100,000, with higher trims and additional options potentially pushing the price up to $120,000. This positions the GV90 competitively within the luxury electric SUV market, offering a blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. The release date for the Genesis GV90 is projected for late 2025, with pre-orders possibly opening earlier. As we await official confirmation, excitement continues to build around this flagship model, which promises to set new standards in the luxury electric SUV segment. Thank you for tuning into Auto Show. Stay subscribed for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest automotive releases. If you have any questions or comments about the 2026 Genesis GV90, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.